of being friendly, generous, and considerate. Kind-heartedness, warmth, gentleness are synonyms of kindness. To make you understand it more, I want to narrate an incident of social reformer, educationist Shri Vidyasagar. So here it goes. One day, Vidyasagar ji and his friends were collecting donation to start Calcutta University. For this noble cause, they met the Nawab. The Nawab was not being a gentle and kind man. He dropped his shoe in Vidyasagar's bag as donation. Vidyasagar simply thanked him and left. Next day, he organized an auction of the Nawab's shoe. Fortunately, he fetched 1,000 rupees. Nawab on hearing things added 1,000 rupees as donation. Dear friends, Vidyasagar could have thrown the shoe on Nawab as a revenge of insult. He could have got depressed and give up his efforts. But he did nothing of that sort. He remained focused on the goal. He took the opportunity and converted it into the biggest donation. Calcutta University became a reality and a center of education. Throughout our life, we may come across similar situations of disappointment, anger, frustration, but if we remain focused and develop the qualities of kindness and generosity in our heart, we can find a creative solution to any problem. Thank you and have a great day ahead.